Root canal in milk teeth? Wait, is that even a thing? So, root canal is a procedure that's typically done in permanent teeth. In children, when it's a procedure being done for the milk teeth, it's called as pulpectomy. Now, when the decay reaches up to the nerves of the milk tooth, the infection needs to be typically cleaned to that extent so that the tooth can be preserved until it's ready for its natural fall and exfoliation. Now, the major difference between a root canal and a pulpectomy is the difference in material. Now, both the procedures use totally different materials. Now, when pulpectomy is done for a milk tooth, we typically use child-friendly resorbable materials because these materials need to dissolve as your tooth is ready for fall so that the exfoliation process is absolutely natural. Now, why can't this milk tooth just be removed? Now, yes, there are situations where even if we wish to, the tooth cannot be saved and it needs to be removed. But when a tooth can be saved, it should be saved. That is because my child needs the teeth for chewing. My child needs the teeth to speak. And most important, that teeth is acting as a natural space maintainer. Now, when good teeth are removed prematurely, what happens is there is drifting of the adjoining teeth, there is space loss, and eventually you will have crowding and issues when your permanent tooth is ready to erupt. So, it's not about doing an adult procedure in a child's mouth, it's about doing the right procedure that your child deserves. Now, do not ignore decay in your child's tooth because it could actually save your child from a pulpectomy if seen timely. Pulpectomy actually helps safeguard your child's milk tooth while respecting the natural process of exfoliation.